now is you're going to go to flat. I'm going to talk you through it. You're going to go to flat stack. You're going to fire. It's close range target. Your rifle is only going to fire one shot because there's only one round in it. That's okay. Attempt to fire a second shot. When your rifle does not fire, go ahead and drop your rifle, transition to your pistol, put 4 in the target. Once you shot the target, I want you to scan, reholster, get your rifle up and running, and shoot the target twice. Everyone got that? Yes. All right. We shall see.
Are these pistol rounds going in the head?
Huh?
These handgun rounds going in the head?
Nah, we just set midline.
Yeah, body midline. Your standard target is the body midline. Same as a rifle, same as a pistol. All right, shooters. Yes.
If we shoot lower, as we've been taught, will that cause a ricochet problem with the burn?
No, it won't be a problem.
Thank you, sir. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Good question. All right, shooters, go flat stack. I don't like the looks of this guy. Move and shoot. Don't just stand there. Move around. Don't hold still. You stand there like a potted palm.
Woo! Got that brass.
Big B-Mag suck, and nobody cares.
Yep. Solve your problem, Jesse. No one cares.
What?
Watch your muzzle, Jesse.
That'll be funnier at VTAC.
All right. Scan. Okay. Bring your muzzle down, pivot to the rear, scan. Get your muzzle down, Jesse. All right, pivot back to the front, scan again. All right, I think we're safe. Set your safety, close your dust cover. All right, remove the magazine in your rifle, replace it with the empty one.
Over that body midline.
Right.
Down on your tool.
This is not a race, guys. Don't try and impress me by showing me how fast you can fuck this up. Do it right. That'll impress me.
Is there a piece of brass down the back of my neck?
There was one at one point.
All right, shooters. Go ahead and go flat stack. I don't like the looks of this guy. Same drill. Move and shoot.
Keep moving.
All right, scan. Bring the muzzle down. Pivot to scan. What the hell's going on here?
Please,
I
the call.
demand that
Back the fuck up!
Step back.
Stay back!
All right, pivot back to the front.
Good.
Scan. All right, set your safety, close your dust cover. Good job, guys. All right, go ahead and top off your pistol if you need to. We'll do this one more time.
Sorry, isn't this advanced class? We should just be doing something a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. Frankie, you ready? Boone?
We want to empty in?
Yeah.
Same
We're going to
thing.
run this one more time, guys. So after you've topped off your pistol, you have a single round in your rifle, put your empty mag in, your rifle, stand by.
Press check.
Press check. Go for it. They're free.
What was I doing on speeding up? Fucking hokey jokey.
Yeah, just messy. Just, make sure you're keeping it clean. Training yourself well is not bad.
good? All right, same drill. I don't like the looks of this guy. Move and shoot. Come on, come on. There you go. Good. Good. Keep scanning. Go to rifle stool. Pivot scan. Still walk backwards.
Step back.
Stay the fuck back. Back up.
Police are on their
Get
way.
back. All right, pivot back. All clear. Safety, self-covers, let them head. When you're doing that stool, again, there's a difference between this, now I can't shoot, and this, now I could shoot if I had to.
All right, shooters, go ahead and come off the line. Second group up.
Recover any gear you need to.
Nice job, Boone. Nice and smooth.
Little